Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your DEFY membership and all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, open any search browser and you need to type like how to cancel DEFY membership, and once you get the results you need to click on first one result, and when you click on first one result you will be redirected to on this page, and on this page you need to scroll down, and in this window you need to if fill out some details related to your, you can say, membership, like what is your park address. Select your park, which is your park, or you can say which is your location. You need to select this one, anyone, which is your, you can say, location, and you need to select your park first. Then you need to enter your name. Make sure enter your correct name as mentioned in your membership, and enter your last name. Enter your email ID, which is your registered email ID, and enter your phone number, which is your registered phone number, because without entering these details you can't cancel your membership, because these details are very important for your identity confirmation. And you need to enter your name of the member, like what is your name in the membership, and you need to enter your member number. They have provided you a member number, then you need to enter your member number and click over here, check here to modify another member. If you have more than one member in your membership, then you can also add your member's name over here. Okay, you need to enter your name of the member and you need to enter your member ID. If you have more than 2 or 3, then you can please click on +1 icons, and then you can add your members manually. Then once you enter your all the details, simply click on cancel membership, and rest follow the prompts. And by using this method you can cancel your membership of you can say DEFY. And if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and hope you are getting my points. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will try to solve your all queries. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.